Dollar yen technical analysis, July 27th, FXEmpire.com. The dollar yen had another down day on Tuesday, and more significantly than that, it broke the lows of the hammer that was formed on Monday, which is a very bearish signal. The biggest problem, though, is that the central banks are certainly watching this pair as they did intervene previously. There is much debate in the trading world as to whether or not the banks will intervene, and if so, will it be all five or will it be the Bank of Japan? The Bank of Japan keeps ratcheting up the rhetoric about the appreciation of the yen, and this is something they do from time to time, but normally it signals that they are at least contemplating intervention. The reality is if you're looking to sell here, you've missed the trade. It's just simply obvious that you have missed the trade. The Forex world will offer you plenty of opportunities, and if we have missed the shorting of dollar yen because of a fear of a central bank intervention, then so be it. There will be other trades, and in fact there are many to be had now. We would, however, be interested in seeing how any supportive action shows up, or perhaps on intervention. The intervention almost always occurs in the most illiquid times, very, very early Asian time. For example, a lot of times the central banks will go in and get involved because there's more bang for your buck at that point. In other words, as they buy, they have to reach farther and farther to find sell orders, and that of course pushes the price up. This pair has been very difficult to trade. It has been a one-way trade, and one thing is certain, that those who have gotten involved in it have done quite well, and that's something we're readily able to admit. But there have been other trades that have been much easier to do, such as the ones we pointed out in the Kiwi dollar or the Euro Swiss short trade has been very good. So because of that, we will simply watch this pair for signs of support, perhaps on higher time frames, maybe even like the weekly or the monthly, and see if the trend is ready to change, or conversely, we may wait to see a bounce up to the 80 if it comes, and any resistive candles there. But in the meantime, we just simply feel that we are at points where you would be chasing the trade, and you simply are pressing your luck with the central banks because they don't always announce that they're about to get into the markets.